if it was always real clear what part I was on. But you know, I
Now
feel
you tell us.
yeah, I would tell you right now that I think that this is something with setting precedents and I think that the decision we made was good, because this is one that, if I may say so, if we'd approved it, it would have come back and bit us in the ass. And I'm still saying us, but you know, I really think that setting a line and holding a line is important.
I agree.
Oh.
Thank you, Anne.
And
Thank you.
you know, the other thing I
like
wanted to say is we didn't hear a lot of, I mean, we really haven't done a lot of cases. And in some of the cases, I don't know that we did, but I think we have deterred by being here. We have deterred people from putting in proposals that if they didn't know that we existed, they would have just pressured through.
That's absolutely true, Ann. And I've heard it from the people who run these things. I agree with you completely. Good luck. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you very much.
We have to adjourn before we sign off. Can I hear a motion to adjourn, please?
I'll make a motion to adjourn, Amy.
Dessert.
Thank you, Amy.
I'll second
Second
it.
it.
Okay, and Ann seconds it as her last and final act. Yay. All right.
Favor.
Thank you all very much. Good evening. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks,
Bye.
bye.
Bye.